Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So in this video I will be sharing with you guys my updated foundation routine. I switched it up a lot. I'm using all new products and they are all affordable. So if you are interested in seeing my current foundation routine, then please keep watching. So in this video I will be giving you guys an updated foundation routine, okay? So that's why I'm all up in your business, all up in your face right now, so you guys can see how I create such a flawless finish with affordable products. All the products I will be using, you can go to Walmart, you can find it at Target. Boo, I got you on the savings, okay? So let's just jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you prep your skin before you apply all the makeup products that you will be wearing throughout the day. You want to make sure your skin is very moisturized, so please just prep your skin before you apply the foundation and all the other makeup products that you use in your foundation routine. So y'all know that I moisturize with the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. That's exactly what it says. So it is a rich hydrating facial moisturizer, and it is exactly what it says, okay? If you purchase this, make sure to get it at Walmart because it's the cheapest at Walmart. I know that for sure, instead of trying to go to Ulta or Walgreens or anything to buy it, you know, Walmart. I would say for the price, it is a good amount of product because you'll only need a little bit, and this might just be a lot. So that's what I'm saying, like a little bit goes a long way, and it just spreads evenly throughout your whole face. So I do want to share with you guys a primer that I've been actually liking right now. So it's the Full Spectrum Covergirl Matte Ambition Primer, and this is what the packaging looks like. If you guys see my last video, I'm really loving this whole full spectrum line from Covergirl. So on the packaging it says mattifying skin primer plus a sunscreen of SPF 20. So I actually been liking this. Y'all know, like, I don't do primers, but I like this one. I like this one. So I'm gonna just put this on, and I've been so oily, especially in my T-zone, like this area especially, and like on the sides of my nose. Oh my god, I look like a little grease ball out here. So that is why I'm doing like a updated foundation routine full of like products that will help oiliness. So for foundation, y'all, I am loving the Full Spectrum Covergirl Matte Foundation. I really like this. Ever since I tried it in my last video, this is bomb, okay? Like, I thought I was gonna be stuck with the Milani foundation forever because y'all know I love my Milani 2-in-1 foundation, but I like this. I like this a lot. So I left the wrong light on this whole time. I hope it looks better. Does it look better now? I don't know. So I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend out my foundation. I always use a sponge to blend out my foundation because I feel like it gives a more natural finish, you know, and my sponge is damped. So you can really just blend out one layer and go on with your day. Like if you need to run errands, it's like the perfect foundation, honestly. It's matte, and I feel like matte foundations, they just last on the skin longer, and it is definitely buildable. So if you want it to be full coverage, just add another pump or two, and it's not gonna look cakey at all. Just make sure you use a good primer, a good moisturizer. If I didn't mention this earlier, you can find this beauty blender here at Target. It's a Sonia Kashuk sponge. So for concealer, I'm using the Covergirl Full Spectrum concealers, and it sucks because they don't have the shades like listed on here. which is weird. Like, I don't know, but I'm gonna find which shade I'm using and list it in the description box for y'all. The applicator definitely applies the concealer on really smooth, but it doesn't pick up a lot of product. And I'm just gonna blend all this out first and then add the highlighting shade. So I turned my brightness down just for right now so you guys can see how my skin really looks, because my lights are really bright and it could, you know, wash you out a little bit. So here I'm just gonna go in with the highlighting shade. And I would say with this concealer, you definitely don't have to like rush and hurry up to blend everything out. It's not drying at all. So you guys, honestly, the concealer does crease, okay? I just want to say that, but I still like it. I just put like 2 layers on it. Maybe that's why it's creasing so much, but it doesn't look that bad after I set it. So to prevent under eye creasing as much as possible, you just want to run your sponge underneath your eyes while you're looking up. And I'm going to quickly set with my Beauty Bakery flour powder, which I have been loving, and it's a yellow powder. I dip my same sponge that I blended out everything with, I dip it right into the powder, and you want to look up when you do this and press into the concealer. So all I do is keep on tapping into the concealer until it sets and all the powder is gone. So everywhere else I apply concealer, I'm just gonna take the same powder and press it in. And you wanna press. Anytime you're working with a sponge on your face, you want to press. Do not swipe. Oh my gosh, don't do that. The foundation is so matte, it looks like I don't even have to set it with powder, but make sure you still set your face. It'll still prevent like a lot of oiliness from coming in. Yes, we looking good. We're looking real good. Okay, so I play too much. All right, so to contour, my favorite product to contour with is the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette. That's what it looks like. And I bought this at Target for like $8. If you guys seen this product, you guys know that isn't it about $24? Target had like a sale for like $7.90 or something like that, about $8, and that's when I got it. I snatched it, okay? So I use all of these shades at the bottom except for this one. So usually I'll just swirl with these two first. And this brush that I'm using is a small contour brush that I had for like 6 freaking years. I had this brush forever. And it's crazy because these brushes last me longer than some of the high-end brushes that I own. And with these, like, I never had any shedding like on the brush. So I just want to let y'all know I get most of my brush from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, you know, like Ross. I love Marshalls, honestly, y'all. And I don't even know the name of these brushes. I told y'all I had it for years and the name's done faded off of the brush. But honestly, I'm not picky with my brushes. When I go shopping, which I will have a shopping vlog soon, I'm doing that this year, okay? I'm definitely doing it this year. I said it last year, but I'm definitely doing it this year. Yeah, I'm not picky when I go shopping for brushes. Like if I go to Marshall's and I see a cute brush and it's round and small like this, I'll buy it just to use for contour. It doesn't have to be like a specific name brand or anything. If it's cute and it's like cheap, I will get it. I feel like you just have to know how to use them. It doesn't matter like what brand it is or anything. So right after I use this palette and contour and bronze up my face, I go in with setting spray. So for setting spray, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, and this one is the coconut one. It's one of their newest setting sprays. There are like 3 new ones with 3 different scents. I think it was coconut, rose, and cucumber. This one is my favorite. The only thing is that I wish like Wet n Wild, come on, I need a bigger spray because I go in with my setting sprays, okay? I can probably use this whole, like it's almost gone already. I can use this whole thing in like a week. Oh my gosh. So y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face. I'm not gonna spray it too close. Just stretch your arm out all the way and just move in a circular motion. Oh, it smells so good.
It smells like coconut. I can smell it.
I know, it smells like the beach. It reminds me of the... Are you sniffing me? Love you.
You smell like coconut.
Alright y'all, so for highlighting I'm gonna use, this is the Wet n Wild MegaGlow loose highlighting powder right here in the shade Hustle and Glow. So I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. So I know this is just a foundation routine video, but I feel like you guys are going to ask me again in the comments what lip combo this is. So I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all. So these are the products that I use, and it creates my favorite nude lip combo ever now. So I actually line my lips with a liquid lipstick, and I use the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Malt, which is this nice brown. And in the center I use the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit lipstick in the shade Sin Nudes. So you guys, this is the completed look of my flawless updated foundation routine for you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys check out some of these products. They are all bomb, and yeah, can you believe this is all drugstore? So if you guys did enjoy this video, please like the video, comment down below other videos you guys would like to see, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.